HTML structure, you can say. Okay, so we'll come to the coding part also. You can see here we are using body tag. Okay, so how you have defined in your previous programming language, whatever you have studied, like C, C++, Java, we have to define the header file, and whatever the functionality you are going to define, that will be always inside the body tag. Okay. The similar way you can define the HTML. Let me see. Okay, so come to here. That will be better. Okay, so this is the page structure of any HTML, or you can say any basic HTML structure. How you learn in C programming structure. Okay, so similar way you have here the HTML page structure. Any HTML based website, either you use a .NET, you use Java, you use PHP, HTML, Node.js, AngularJS, anywhere you use, this things will definitely, it will be available. This basic, whatever the inside the functionality, different kind of code, that is the different thing. Here you have HTML. That is the like how you define header file. You have to write the HTML. Okay. Then you're writing the head tag, that is the heading tag. This tag, whatever you are going to define on the top within the head section, that will not display on the browser. That is for like using a style sheet, using CSS, then using JavaScript and others validation script, whatever you are going to write, that will be defined, and other meta tags will be defined here. That will not appear on the screen. Then you are going to define the head tag. Then you are going to give the title tag. So whatever the appearance you are seeing on any website or any web page, that is defined inside the body only. So after that, we have the body tag. That means how you define in other programming language main. The same way you have here body tag. So you are going to define the body tag followed with the whatever the tags you want to use, like you want heading tag, paragraph tag, again paragraph tag. So that functionality, what do you want to appear on the page, you can define similarly and close the body tag. And finally, we have opened the HTML tag. So you have to close the HTML tag. This is the basic syntax or page structure of any HTML pages or HTML website. So now we'll come to here. Same way as we have seen that previously, the nesting of HTML element. Then you have a body tag. As I mentioned, that is always nesting. So this will be here considered as a parent tag. Then inside whatever you are going to define, that all it will be a child tag. So what is that? Now you are going to define the paragraph tag. Again, you write something. This is some. You write a strong. So whenever you open, you have to close within that. Then you have opened paragraph tag. You close the paragraph tag. Again, you write another H1 tag. Close here H1 tag. Now again, you are writing division tag. Inside that, you are writing paragraph tag. Again, write some. Okay, you have to use this span tag before the paragraph, okay, tag, and you are going to close within the paragraph. This will be wrong. You will get the answer, but you will not get the correct result. I'll show you that also. The same way as I mentioned, like HTML syntax, so it always flow from like how you are defining like body tag, okay, So you have the body tag. In body tag, you have the siblings like paragraph, H1, division tag. Again, this paragraph is having the another strong tag. In division, we have used paragraph. Again, inside we have used span tag. So like this way, whenever you open, you have to open and close. That is always you have to remember. This is the very basic.